Hello guys, ALBERTOBIGBOOST here and welcome back to my channel. This video is brought to you by Croooober. Croooober is the largest used auto parts online marketplace. A marketplace specifically just for used auto parts. They have more than 300,000 inventories in stock, ranging from original to aftermarket parts. They are the official distributor and partner of UpGarage. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of UpGarage in Japan, right? Croooober is the distributor and supplier and partner of UpGarage. So these guys have everything. So guys, check out their webpage. I put the link in the description below. So if you're looking for JDM parts or accessories for your either JDM or USDM car that you want to turn into a JDM car, look no further. I really think we should get some different wheels for Adam's Skyline. And these ones are cool, but we need like some hot boy wheels on this. Maybe I'll look up in Croooober.com and see if I can find something in there that Adam might like. The interior is already pretty JDM. You know, you got your little HKS boost gauge. There's a boost controller down there somewhere. And you got your Nardi steering wheel. Definitely not the color I was expecting because I wanted this color and the engine bay is this color. It's pretty shiny white. Came out really good. I'm actually really happy of how this came out. It's gonna be so nice putting this back together with a freshly painted engine bay. It looks so clean now. First thing that you gotta do in the morning, stop at Starbucks, get some hot chocolate and get Adam his whatever he drinks thingy. It's over here. No way, that's mine. And get Adam his little, whatever it's called, venti caramel macchiato thing. I'm just wondering where he's at because he's not outside. He should be coming out that door any minute, but I don't hear from him yet. Oh no, my precious artwork has been cut in half. I guess the Skyline can no longer be a Skyline because the logo has been cut off. But check this out, the car is coming out very, very clean. I got all the stuff back in there. Adam ended up putting the harness back. I put the brake booster. I cover everything that I don't want to get scratched up. So I got some saran wrap going on. I got some tape on the corners and edges where I don't want to accidentally scratch it while installing all the stuff. I deleted the stock fuel lines because we're gonna be upgrading those. I have all the brackets left there. Adam also installed the solid steering shaft bushing, which is an aluminum one instead of the factory rubber piece. I've got the AC condenser and all the components here already installed. They're not finally installed. They're not fully installed yet because I need to remove them and replace all the O-rings in every single connection. I'm gonna put a new O-ring. So this one's still left out. I got the lines laid out over here, all like really, really nice. Adam's also been working on this side on the new intake manifold he's gonna be running. So he ended up getting a raw brokerage intake manifold, which is factory half part of the runner, so the flange and water parts. So the flange and the coolant passages are a stock piece. Then you got a modified elbow for the upper radiator hose. And then from the other half, it has the stack, so it has like velocity stacks already built in. You can see like the little velocity stack shape. And then it's very, very nice polished plenum. And then it also has a 80mm throttle body. So you can bring in all that boost. And now the other Ultra JDM thing we're doing today, we're gonna change the turbo on Adam's R20 again. Right now it has a Garrett GT28 something. Wait, I think it's 63. GTX 2863, I believe that's right. And we're gonna swap it out for the new G series turbo, which I don't have the part number right now, but I'll show you guys in a little bit after we remove this baby out of this engine. I think Adam's SR has seen better days. It has definitely taken a beating after taking it to all the Pro-Am events and kind of off-roading. Look at it. The fuel rail is supposed to be black, but it's not black right now. It's brown black. So after we get this turbo replaced, we're also gonna have to clean up the engine bay a little bit. I guess it's no more turbo for Adam's car for a while, or maybe just for a night. I'll be installing the turbo tomorrow, so we're gonna get this car going. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys the difference between the old turbo and the new one. Here we have the old garage GTX 2863 turbo, and now it's the new G series or G25 turbo that you can see the difference in design. And also the new V-band on the exhaust housing is already the correct size for the manifold. Instead of being cast iron like the old one, the new housing is made out of stainless steel. Look at how nice and shiny this looks.